Hello friends, welcome to Product Paper channel. Today we are going to look at the product portfolio of Varun Beverages. This is a company which many of you might not have heard of, and when I began with my investment journey, I too did not know about it. So that is why we thought it would be great if we can put forward this company for you. Varun Beverages is listed on both the exchanges as VBL. It is a part of the RJ Corp group. So this group is the promoter of Varun Beverages, and this group has a diversified business uh, among in beverages, quick service restaurants, dairy, and healthcare. So if you see, this is a very big advantage for Varun Beverages because if the promoter group itself owns quick service restaurants, then all these beverages can make it to these restaurants' fridges. So this is Varun Beverages is the second largest franchisee of Pepsi in the world outside of the US. So it has both carbonated and non-carbonated drinks, and it is a key player in this industry. It has been a licensee of PepsiCo for 28 years, and they continue to show strong relationship with Pepsi because they have a license at least till 2030, and there is a very good chance that this license will be renewed because of this long relationship. So this is the portfolio breakup of Varun Beverages in terms of sales. So around 71% of the sales is through carbonated soft drinks. Around 23% is through packaged drinking water. So it's one of the brands which we all know, and we will talk about it in the video ahead. And around 7% is for juices basically. So we all know we all mostly all of these drinks. So Pepsi, Mountain Dew, Mirinda is my personal favorite. Pepsi Black, 7 Up, Everest, Diet Pepsi, 7 Up, Nimbus. In fruit juices we have Tropicana. So Tropicana you must all be knowing. They have Tetra packs of mixed fruit juices, orange juices, etc. They also have Tropicana Slice. So we have all seen Katrina Kaif in the Slice advertisements. Nimbus and Tropicana fruits. They even have come up with a new addition. This is basically milk-based shakes like mango shake, cold coffee, and chocolate shake. We know about these energy drinks called Sting and sports drink called Gatorade. When I was a kid, I used to always have a Gatorade bottle with me when I used to go play football, and I do still have use this and drink this when I play anything. They have iced tea, Lipton iced tea. We all know about Lipton iced tea. It's a very tasty drink, and packaged drinking water. So this was what I was talking about before. Aquafina, we all know about Aquafina. Aquafina is distributed as cans, as water pouches, as water bottles, and this is a very key player in the water market. So all the sales of Aquafina in India are through Varun Beverages. So Varun Beverages does not only play in India, it also sells its products in Nepal, Sri Lanka, Morocco, Zambia, and Mozambique. So it has the official licensee of Pepsi in all these countries as well. So I must tell you that I am invested in this company, and what was my logic behind investing in Varun Beverages. So as we have all seen, it has a strong product portfolio. There is no doubt about that. It has good financials, and in our future videos, we will bring forward the financials in front of you. So this fits in India's urbanization story. So what do I mean by that? Is basically a lot of the rural population is migrating to cities in India nowadays, and these are the people who are actually getting added to the market for this company because generally in rural areas people don't consume soft drinks like Pepsi or fruit juices, but all these people when they come to the urban areas they start consuming these kind of products. This is usually consumed with junk kind of foods like pizza or burgers. So if and you'll always find these kind of drinks in outlets of Domino's and McDonald's kind of outlets. So if the industry grows with Domino's and McDonald's वगैरह, then this beverages industry will also grow along with them. So that's a very big advantage. uh, India's youth population is the number one in the world. So, and this market, you know that Pepsi and drinks like that are usually consumed by the youth, by the young population. So, India being the number one country having youth population, the target market of Varun Beverages is huge. So, that's a very big advantage for the company. Thank you guys for watching the video. I hope you liked it. If you did like it, do please click the like button, share it with your friends, and give your feedback in the comment section below. If you did like this video and many other videos from our channel, please do subscribe. So if our subscriber base increases, we get motivated to make more such videos. And yeah, so and we get motivated to bring this kind of quality content in front of you, and it's absolutely free for you, so there's nothing to lose. Thank you and have a nice day.